I'm 15 and pregnant. My boyfriend is 16. Can I refuse my mother-in-law rights to see my child? She disrespects me. My struggles with a toxic mother-in-law's manipulation and disrespect. To help understand what kind of mother she is, the first time my boyfriend welcomed her back into his life after years, she was supposed to pick him up from school. She called him unexpectedly as school was over, telling me not to get on the bus and that she'd pick me up. I waited hours. She never came. She continues to prove her incapability to be a crutch for him, as she is never on time. She dropped me and my boyfriend off at a lake and said she'd be back in an hour. 3 hours later we call her and she tells us we are rushing her and throws a fit. She is friends with a man who recorded me and my boyfriend and herself naked in the bathroom, either changing or using the toilet or showering. She said she was scared that he was going to kill her, but continues to buddy-buddy with him as if they were childhood best friends. In reality, he is only her domestically abusive ex-boyfriend's brother who is obsessed and desires more than a friendship with her, which she claims she will never see him that way. Yet it seems as if she leads him on with the excuse of, "I have a flirty personality." The man was drunk one night and screamed at me that I ask for too much of my boyfriend's mother when all I asked was to get my laptop from my house. 10-minute drive, making me cry. I have PTSD and have had my father yell in my face and put his hands on me. His mother stayed quiet and allowed this to happen. Then after the man left, she sided with us, saying he was crazy and had anger issues, but never brought it up to him, taking his side to his face. One morning, I woke up really hungry. I hadn't eaten the night before or the current morning whatsoever because we are low on money. His mother had $100 worth of food stamps. When I went to ask if I could get a $3 salad from Casey's, his mother yelled at me not to tell her what to do with her money. She put her hands on me, threatened to call the cops, etc. There's much more, but that's a lot to get into. These are just some random examples. I decided enough was enough and stress was bad for my baby. Reached out on Insta. It went something like this. His mom. You want to talk? We can talk in person. I'm not about to sit here and text cause someone will take it the wrong way. I'm getting ready for work anyhow. Me. I do not want to talk to you in person. What I have won't be misinterpreted. I've tried talking to you in person. You catch an attitude if I'm not picky with my words, and I tend to match energy. I can't deal with stress and yelling. You may not care considering when I reminded you I am pregnant last time your response was so. But I care about my baby and I take into mind what my emotions would cause upon my child. His mom. I won't sit back and be disrespected over and over again by a child. You are very manipulative with my child, and what you won't do is use that baby as leverage to hold over somebody's head. I'm getting ready for work now. Me. You call me manipulative, yet you screamed and cried to your child in the same hour. You don't want to be disrespected? Me either. Respect is earned. You can claim I use the baby as leverage, but every statement I make before bringing up I'm pregnant is valid. Example, I have to eat. I am pregnant. Why are you yelling? I am pregnant, etc. Try again. Sure, call me a child. If that's the case, you're the adult. Act like it. Replying to his mom's message. Her message, I'm getting ready for work now. And this means nothing to me. You say this, and when you come back it's a roulette of what's Chelsea going to waste her money on this time? Will it be weed and alcohol? Will it be gambling? Oh. Or will it be giving money to her ex-husband? Find out next episode. While you're busy wasting thousands, I managed to live off of $500 a month, only spending it on food and your son, like you should be doing. Give me a reason to respect you and I will. His mom. Bye, kid. Me. Thanks for proving my point. No, you are not welcomed in my baby's life. You are immature and a narcissist. His mom. And you won't and can't stop me, silly girl. Me. I can. You have no right to tell me what I can and can't do with my child. If I do not want you seeing my child, you will not see him, her, period. I know my rights. Minor or not, as a parent, I will not be obligated to allow you visits into my child's life if you are being a problem. His mom. We will see. I'm done with your childish ass. Me. Sure. I am childish. We sure will see. As far as my kid will know, you died before he was born. Learn respect, not everything is given to you. His mom. You're done treating my child the way you do him also. Me. John loves me, I love him. Our future as a family will only grow without you in the picture. Continue to prove my point. He waited all night for you to come home. I stayed up texting him till he fell asleep. He told me he couldn't even get through to you. His mom. My dad was a cop and my uncle is a judge. I don't care what Google says, lol. Me. LOL, and my dad's the CEO of Home Depot. Doesn't matter. Let's go to court about this. His mom. I don't have time to entertain your bullshit. Go watch TV or something. Me. Yeah, entertain my bullshit. You're a 33-year-old crybaby.